I'm trying to grow crystals of ruby at home. In the first episode I did grow some, but they were very small, setting my record size at 1/4 millimeter. But when I was looking at these under the microscope, I didn't just see rubies. They were covered in these weird balls. To me they looked like cristobalite, a high temperature form of silica, but there shouldn't be any silica in here. Silica would react with the alumina and I'd get maybe tiny rubies at best and Long story short, I thought these were alumina crucibles, but they're not. They're plain ceramic made of a mixture of alumina and silica. So I spent a bit more and got some real alumina crucibles. Mixed all the chemicals again, and one day later, check it out. We've got rubies growing right on the lid. And when I opened it up, there were obviously a bunch of rubies right around the rim. But my excitement didn't last. When I broke it open, there were not larger crystals hiding inside. It looked like almost all the ruby crystallized as a nondescript mass at the bottom of the crucible, probably because every point on it is a good nucleation site. So we got the basic chemistry figured out, but the alumina crucibles will not work as is. So I came up with two other ideas. First, I tried coating the bottom of an alumina crucible with gold foil. Ideally, platinum would be way better, but it's really expensive and I have gold foil. The hope was that this would just kind of stop the crystals from growing crazy at the beginning and let some bigger ones get started. Unfortunately, it just didn't work. The crystals grew right through that layer. My last idea was to use a crucible made of zirconium oxide. Ruby won't crystallize directly onto it, and we got much more interesting results. We got even bigger crystals at the top, bringing the record up to 1 millimeter. And inside we got 2 layers of crystal growth, with larger singular ruby crystals growing in between what look like crystals of zirconia. So I finally have the right chemistry and the right equipment, so it's finally time to try and make the crystals bigger. And if you want a lab-grown gem you don't need a microscope to look at, you can go to gemsofscience.com to get yours.